Hello everyone, are you looking for a good mini portable projector with built-in speakers? Well, I have one right here. Let's check it out. This comes with a warranty card, a manual, 46-inch power cord, a remote controls, batteries not included, and the projector itself. This smart portable projector is compact and light. You can bring it anywhere. The approximate dimensions are 6-inch in length, 5-inch in height, and 4-inch in width. It has an ultra-fast dual-band Wi-Fi 6 and a Bluetooth 5.4 with a resolution of 1080p. This projector has an upgraded design. The base is an independent speaker system for rich sound. The Bluetooth option enables you to connect to external speakers or a sound system. This projector has a USB input where you can insert your USB flash drive or external hard drive. An additional feature to this base, you can put this on a tripod. This projector has a flexible 180-degree screen rotation. This projector is easy to use. We must first remove the blue protective film on the lens. Plug in the power cable and press the on button twice. Adjusting the focus of the screen is easy. Just simply rotate the focus dial left or right until the image is focused. The smart feature about this projector is that we can use our smartphones to control the projector. In order to do so, our smartphone and a smart projector must be on the same Wi-Fi network. To pair the smartphone with the projector, we must download and install the app called Transcreen. On this app, I have the ability to view photos, play audio files, and video files. I even have a remote on this app. With this app, I have the ability to mirror the screen. To use the HDMI input, it's very easy. Just plug and play and select the HDMI option.
In a land of timeless beauty. For a second rush. Perfect again.
Me blend in. I'm 2 feet tall and everybody in there.